Hello students, in this video I am going to analyze one of the CAT 2020 questions based on the essence of the passage. This question was there in CAT 2020 slot 1. Let us first analyze the paragraph and then evaluate the options. For nearly a century, most psychologists have embraced one view of intelligence. I put it in red and this is important for us. One view of intelligence is the topic of the paragraph. Individuals are born with more or less intelligence potential, that is IQ. This is the one view of intelligence that the first sentence talks about, that individuals are born with more or less intelligence potential. This potential is heavily influenced by heredity. This is the continuation of the one view of intelligence embraced by most psychologists for nearly a century. Experts in measurement can determine a person's intelligence early in life, currently from paper and pencil measures, perhaps eventually from examining the brain in action, or even scrutinizing his or her genome. So mainly it says that there is one view of intelligence. What is that one view? Individuals are born with intelligence, that is IQ. This potential is heavily influenced by heredity and it's difficult to alter, and it can be measured early in life. This is the crux of the matter. Recently, criticism of this conventional wisdom has mounted. Biologists ask if speaking of a single entity called intelligence is coherent, and question the validity of measures used to estimate heritability of trait in humans who, unlike plants or animals, are not conceived and bred under controlled conditions. This portion of the paragraph marks a transition, especially this part. Recently, criticism of this conventional wisdom has mounted. What is that criticism? Uh, that is explained further in this portion of the paragraph. So, as the things stand, the biologists are not in agreement with the one view of intelligence that the psychologists have embraced for nearly a century. So, one view of intelligence, as in speaking of a single entity called intelligence. It is just another way of phrasing the same point. As in, there is only one view of intelligence or one type of intelligence. Is that coherent, or can there be different forms of intelligence? That's what the biologists are asking. That is the criticism. And question the validity of measures used to estimate heritability of a trait in humans. Since the psychologists who embraced one view of intelligence say that a person's intelligence can be determined early in life. Why? Because it's heavily influenced by heredity and difficult to alter. Intelligence is heavily influenced by heredity and difficult to alter. This is the point that makes the measurement of heritability valid, according to the psychologists who embraced one view of intelligence. Yes, the validity of measures are being questioned by the biologists based on the argument that unlike plants or animals, human beings are not conceived and bred under controlled conditions. So, in effect, they are saying that there may be other variables that may affect intelligence. Let's take a quick look at the structure of the passage. First sentence, one view of intelligence, followed by what that one view of intelligence is. Then a transition point, criticism of this conventional wisdom, followed by what that criticism is. This is the structure of the paragraph. Option 1. Biologists have criticized that conventional wisdom that individuals are born with more or less intelligence potential. So this is really vague, does not talk about the criticism made by the biologists. As this is not the only thing that biologists assert, and therefore the first option can be quickly eliminated. Second option, biologists have questioned the long-standing view that intelligence is a single entity. Let's figure out, is the view long-standing? For nearly a century, most psychologists have embraced one view of intelligence. Yes, long-standing view is true. What is that view being criticized by the biologists? That intelligence is a single entity. As I've already told you, this is just another way of saying that this one view of intelligence is misplaced. And it's clearly indicated in this portion of the passage. So this is also correct. And the attempts to estimate its heritability, as in heritability of intelligence. So here it's very clearly there in the passage, like uh, and question the validity of measures used to estimate the heritability of a trait in humans. In this case, a trait indicates intelligence. So from this portion, the attempts to estimate its heritability is being questioned can be inferred, and therefore second option seems to be correct. Let's read the third one. Biologists have started questioning psychologists' view of intelligence as a measurable, immutable characteristic of an individual. This option has two flaws. Number one, it does not cover the important point of the criticism of the long standing view that intelligence is a single entity or there is only one view of intelligence. And second, intelligence as a measurable, immutable characteristic of an individual is an exaggeration based on the information given in the passage. It says it's difficult to alter and influenced by heredity. So, to say that it's measurable, immutable characteristic, it's a slight exaggeration. Therefore, third option is totally wrong. Biologists have questioned the view that intelligence is a single entity and the ways in which what is inherited. The second portion of this sentence is definitely wrong. They haven't criticized the ways in which what is inherited. In fact, they haven't said anything about what is inherited. Therefore, this option is definitely wrong. The correct option, therefore, is option 2.